determine the reactions get developed at beam. Since at point A there is a hinge carries two reactions, and at point B there is a roller carries one reaction. So before to solve the beam, we have to draw the FBD. FBD is free body diagram. So to draw the FBD, at point A there are two reactions, vertical reaction at point A and horizontal reaction at point A. Then 60 kilonewton force is inclined 60 degree with respect to x-axis. That's why just resolve into two components as like this. So this particular component is 60 sine of 60 degree and horizontal component is 60 cos of 60 degree. Then at this point this 80 kilonewton is inclined 75 degree with respect to x-axis. So resolve this also in x component and y component. The vertical component is 80 sine of 75 degree and this horizontal component is 80 cos of 75 degree. This 50 kilonewton force, again resolve it into two components as like this. So this becomes 50 sine of 60 degree and this becomes 50 cos of 60 degree. And at the point B, it is the reaction is as like this. It is perpendicular to this particular face. That's why this triangle becomes 30, 60 and 90. That's why this is the reaction, suppose RB, and it making angle of 30 degree with respect to x-axis. That's why we are having its two components as like this. This is RB sine of 30 degree and this horizontal component becomes RB cos of 30 degree. Now go for equilibrium conditions. What are the equilibrium conditions? Summation f of x is equal to 0, summation f of y is equal to 0 and summation of moment at point A is equal to 0. First of all, we go for summation of moment at point A is equal to 0. Summation of moment at point A is equal to 0 tends to, we want moment at point A. Since HA and VA passing through the same point of action as that of A, that's why these two components becomes 0. This 60 cos 60 is also passing through the same line of action. That's why all the horizontal components along this x-axis, they won't consider in summation of moment at point A is equal to 0. That's why 60 sine of 60 degree with respect to point A, we are taking the moment. With respect to point A, how it rotates? Clockwise. That's why it is taken as positive. Therefore 60 sine of 60 degree into perpendicular distance is this much. It is 1 meter into 1 plus 80, this vertical component, 80 sine of 75 degree into perpendicular distance is this much. It is 3 meter into 3 meter plus this component 50 sine of 60 into perpendicular distance is this much. This distance becomes 3 plus 2.5, it is 5.5 plus 50 sine of 60 degree into 5.5. Again these two components, since RB cos of 30 passing through the same line of action as that of A, that's why we won't consider this. So RB sine of 30 degree into total span of the beam will be the perpendicular distance. Since with respect to point A, how it rotates? As like this, anti-clockwise. That's why minus RB sine of 30 degree into total span of the beam is 3 plus 2.5 plus 0.5. It becomes 6 meter into 6 meter is equal to 0. Now in this equation, only one unknown, RB is unknown. So you can solve it mathematically. Therefore RB is equal to 173.98 kilonewton. Okay. Now to calculate value of VA and HA, go for another equilibrium condition. Suppose summation f of x equal to 0 tends to. So see what are the horizontal components. Sin HA going towards right hand side taken as positive. The sign conventions for beam, all the forces going towards right hand side are taken as positive, all the forces going towards left hand side are taken as negative, and moment, clockwise moment as positive, anti-clockwise moment as negative. So HA going towards right hand side plus, then 60 cos of 60 going towards right hand side. That's why plus 60 cos of 60 degree minus 80 cos of 75 degree plus 50 cos of 60 degree since it is going towards right hand side plus 50 cos of 60 degree, and RB cos of 30 is going towards left hand side. That's why taken as minus RB cos of 30 degree is equal to 0. In this equation only one unknown, and that's why we can calculate value for HA. Therefore HA is equal to 116.37 kilonewton. You have to solve it on your own calci. Then go for another equilibrium condition, that is summation f of y is equal to 0. In this, what are the vertical components? C, since HA going towards upside, taken as positive. VA 60 sin 60 coming downward, that's why taken as negative. Minus 60 sin of 60 degree minus 80 sin of 75 degree minus 50 sin of 60 degree plus RB sin of 30 degree is equal to 0. Okay, therefore since you know the value for RB, put value of RB 173 here and calculate value for VA. Therefore VA is equal to 85.51 kilonewton. Thank you.